Hey everyone, so today we are talking about how to flip your hair up in the front. After I've done, I can't even tell you how many dozens of videos I've done on this topic, I still get questions from viewers, people that have purchased a TikTok kit, people that are purchasing products of mine and they're just not really getting it. So I'm gonna break down how to flip your hair up and also a couple of essential things that you need. All right, it's not just as easy as, oh, I'm gonna go like this, and yeah, why isn't my hair flipping? I mean, it's a process, okay? It takes work, and I'm gonna help you guys. So if you're having any problems, this is gonna be it. So if you have purchased the TikToker hairstyle kit, which includes Tidal Wave, my #1 selling product, the most amazing sea salt spray. I've got my TikToker 2-inch round brush. It has the TheSalonGuy on it. This is my official brush. And also locked hairspray. It comes with these three. Now, why these three products? Well, because I had this brush specifically made in order to be able to wrap the hair around just perfectly. And I chose 2 inches because this barrel is the perfect size for getting this hair to flip, especially if it's the right length, which we'll talk about in a second. Why Tidal Wave? Because when you spray this on when the hair is damp, and as you blow dry it, it's gonna give you the most incredible texture that you've ever had. And I'm telling you, we reformulated this. I am the one who tested this. I'm a hairstylist. I know how products should work. And then lastly, the locked hairspray. Yes, it's going to smell like there's alcohol in it because all hairsprays need to have alcohol for them to hold. All right, so there's nothing we can do about it, but this is designed to give a matte finish and to help hold the hair. All right, now, when the hair is damp, okay, let's just say, for example, your hair is damp, so I can even wet this down a little bit right into here. One thing you have to absolutely make sure of is that your hair, and we'll get a little bit closer, is this length, okay? And it helps to have this texture. If your hair is super frizzy, if it's super wiry, if it's super thick, if it's, curly hair, whatever it is, and your hair is like up to here or, it's way down to here, it's not going to be right, okay? You have to have a hair length that is right around this area and through here. I'd say to the eyebrows, right to the bridge of the nose. And all of this has to be layered, as you can see. Okay, let's spin this way. Look at all of this. You see how it's falling? That's because the hair is layered. It can't just be all one length hanging straight down to here. All right, this all needs to be layered and held out from the head to create these pieces. All right, if you don't have any of those, chances are you're gonna have a more difficult time getting the hair to flip up like it should. All right, now when the hair is damp, okay, you could spray Tidal Wave, 1, 2, 3, okay, 3 spritzes, maybe 4 or 5. You don't need a lot, all right? Now that that's in the hair, you can work it through if you want, but I like to just set it and forget it. Okay, there. The first phase is done by spraying the Tidal Wave spray. Now, I'm going to use, this is my blow dryer that I sell on my website, all right? And I am going to demonstrate this. Now, watch what I do, and then we'll discuss it afterwards. Now, I'm gonna show you this. I literally did this live with you, okay? I did it live. I didn't use any hairspray whatsoever, and I didn't do anything crazy. I just blow dried the hair properly with the round brush. Now, as you can see, all of this is flipping because of the haircut. All right, let's just get even a little bit closer here. I want you to really see this so you can understand. But look at how it's, you know, kind of flopping around. See that? Okay, see that movement in there? Yeah, it's staying, right? Eventually it probably will come down, but there it is. Now watch this. Here's a trick. You can also, from this point, bring your hair back and then push forward, and there you go. Same thing, okay? Now we're gonna get all those pieces. Now, what do you do from here? Here is the locked hairspray. This is my suggestion of how you do this. You can spray it just like this, or what you can do is you can bring the hair down, spray it like that, and then work the shape in this way. Get those flips just how you want them. All right, and then you could set it right in place like this. And you see, I'm spraying this on. I mean, I'm pretty thoroughly spraying that because I want it to hold. If you're not spraying the hairspray properly, unfortunately, it's not going to hold. So you really, really, really have to make sure that you spray that hairspray on, okay? This is what's going to lock it in place. You can cover your eyes, make sure you don't get it in your eyes like this, and literally just spray it. Don't touch your hair, okay? Very important. From this moment on, this hairstyle is designed to just stay like this, okay? Let it set. You have to let the hair set. The minute you start, it's like if you buy a brand new car, the minute you drive off the lot, it loses value. The minute you drive it off the lot. The same concept with this hairstyle. Because you need this to set into place, let the hairspray dry. Let it do its own thing. If you start immediately, right after you have spent all this time, and you run your fingers through it right away, and you start messing with it, it's going to lose its value. It's going to collapse. It's not going to stay, all right? Let it set in the hair, maybe a half an hour from now, an hour, 2 hours. If you want, then you can go in and mess it up. But just keep in mind, when you have a hairstyle like this that is purely relying on volume and lift and having it be aired out and being free, the minute you collapse it down, it's just gonna fall apart, okay? Now, I'm gonna show you if 5 hours from now, 6 hours from now, it starts to, let's just bring this down like this. Look at this. It starts to kind of flop down. All right, you're like, oh my gosh, my hair, look at it. It's not the same. This is what you do. You go back like this, like we had before. That tidal wave's still gonna be in there. You twist like that, okay? What you do is you make circles. All right, make circles with your hand to create that. And look, we're back to where we were. Then you can go back in, reset it, and there you go. Look, we've got it back. All right? We've got the style back. We are good to go. And there it is. So anytime your hair falls flat, what do you need to do? The opposite. Push back and lift. And there you go. When you push back and lift, you're in a quick pinch. There you go. Bring it back. Push forward. All right? Just keep in mind, though, like I said, if you just bring it back and you don't do any sort of technique to it, it's going to fall flat. So you need to actually create some lift on the hair with the technique, which actually went viral on TikTok, where you make little twists like this. Because what is that doing? Look what it's doing. It's making the hair stick up. You need to have this. Then you can go back in, and there you go. And if you don't have any product with you, then this is the best way to do it. And then let the hair kind of do its own thing over time, and you'll be good to go. So I know I was really aggressive with you all on this, and it's just because I get so many questions and I get so many comments from people. It's not the product's not working. It's not the wrong brush. It's not that. I chose these products specifically for this hairstyle. I've been on the news talking about this hairstyle on television. Trust me, I know how it works. So let me know if you try this and if it's helped you, and if you are interested in purchasing any of the products, including the blow dryer and the TikToker kit. If you use code YouTube20, you get 20% off. And if you're in the United States, it's free shipping, which is pretty expensive to ship all of these products. So you're getting like a really, really good deal, and 20% off is a big deal. So, you know, please let me know if you are using these products, if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.